Hi everyone, welcome to our PySpark for Data Engineering series videos. So today we are going to understand the column operations in PySpark, and by the end of this video you will learn select how to select columns, how to create new columns with columns, how to rename columns, how to drop columns, and how to cast column types, and what are the best column transformations. So in this video, in the real data engineering pipelines, most transformations involve modifying the columns. So that is what in this video we will learn how to select, create, rename or drop and cast columns in PySpark. So let's start. So first of all, for every video, first for the start, what we are doing, we are starting a standard session in PySpark. So we will write from PySpark.sql import Spark session. Okay. Then Spark equals to Spark session dot builder dot dot app, yeah, dot app name. Let's keep the app name as, so this will be our day 7 video, so I'll write day 7 column operation. Okay, then after that dot get or create. That's it. We will run this, so it will start a standard PySpark session. Now for practicing, let's create a sample DF. So for that, let's create a data like this. So the session started. So we'll create a data. So as you know, we can create data like defining data rows and columns differently. So I'm creating a data. Okay. Okay. Then last part will be salary. This is one row. We'll copy and paste this only and we'll enter the values. Let's keep 3 values only. Okay. Done. The columns are ID, comma, name, comma, role, comma, salary. Okay, that's fine. So let's create a data frame. So df equals to spark dot create a data frame. Okay, we'll define data and columns. Okay, let's run this. Done. Let's see the data. So this is the small data frame which we have created. Now we will start the column operations first with selecting columns. So select columns. So how we can select columns from a data frame? Let's see here. So this one is used to pick specific columns. So let's write df dot select. Okay. Now after that we need to provide the column name. So if I just did write name and if I did so you will see we will just select the name column from that particular data frame. Okay. Let it run. So here you can see only the selected column appears here. Okay. If we want to select multiple, so we can just select multiple columns in here only. By comma, we can specify multiple columns. So I'll just select salary as well. So you can see name and salary came. Now the second operation will be creating a new column. Create new column. So to create new column, we will use with column. Okay, with columns. With column is a function in PySpark which is used to add or modify columns. Okay, so let's add. I want to add a column called bonus. So I'll just create another data frame as df bonus. In that df, you can see with column. Okay, so what column I need? I need bonus. So I'll just write bonus. And what will be the calculation for that? So which will be df dot salary multiplied by 10%. Let's do 0.10. Okay. This is my bonus. Now if I just do df underscore bonus or display df underscore bonus, we can use either show or display. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, let me do df dot show. Df underscore bonus dot show. What happened with display? I don't know. Yeah, here you can see bonus is also created. So it means I don't know what happened to display. That never happens. Okay. So here you can see that df bonus is created. We didn't alter the our data frame. We just created a new data frame with the help of with column with added bonus column there. Okay. Now let's see how we can rename the column. Okay. Rename columns. Okay. So as like we have df with column function we had. Now we have a with column renamed function. So we will write df renamed ren. Sorry, I'm very bad with spelling mistakes today. Why I don't know. Df dot with column renamed. I guess this keyboard is new for me. Yeah, that's why. This is a different laptop. That's why. So role I want to change. So first what we have to do, we have to write df dot with column rename, and the column which we want to rename, we will write first that column, and the second what it should be new name. So I'll just keep it as role change to job. Okay, done. Now let's see df dot rename df underscore renamed dot show, and you will see we have the role column became job now. Okay, so this is how you can rename a column, existing column. Okay. Now, if we want to drop a column, so drop column, how we can drop a column? So we have to write. So let me show you how we can drop the column. So we will just write df dot drop, and I don't need the role as of now. I don't need the row. So I'll just run this and let's see the df dropped. Okay. See the role is now dropped. So that's how we can remove unwanted columns with df dot drop. Now let's change the column data type. So how we can change the column data type? That also we can change using the with column command. So that will come under column operations. So I'll just change. So df casted, we will use df dot with column, and we'll cast a column. So salary the column which we want to cast, I just casted salary into string. So previously it was numeric. Now I'll cast it to string. So I need to write after the selecting the column name, then I need to write the operation. So here the operation is df.salary.cast, and what data type I need to cast it in string. Okay. Now let's do two print schemas first. So print schema for df and then df underscore casted print schema. Okay. So we can see. So let's see. Here the salary was long, here salary is string. So that's how we can cast the column data type. Okay. And it is very useful when we are casting data types in ETL pipelines frequently. Okay. If we want to do multiple column operations together, how we can do that? Let's do right here. So as of now, I just want to use upper function. So I'll just add the upper function. Upper means string upper. PySpark.sql.functions import upper. Okay. Now I'll just create a df transformed. That will be df dot dot with column. And first I need name in upper. So I'll just create a name underscore upper, which will be nothing, just upper of df name. Okay. Then the second operation I want to do is with column. So that's how you can write multiple functions with a new line character. Okay. So I want to add bonus also here only. So bonus will be nothing, df dot salary multiplied by 0.10. Okay. And I want to drop a column, that also I can do, dot drop roll. Okay. So all the three transformations which we saw above, it will be done in the df underscore transform together. Okay. Let's run this. So here you can see this is the column name upper, which we have added new column, and bonus, which we have added new column, and we have removed the roll column. Okay. So the upper column is having all the name in upper case, and then bonus is the 10% of the salary, and we removed when we dropped the roll column. So that's how you can do multiple transformation in a single time. Now let's see how we can select all the columns. We have to write df dot select. In the bracket, we need to do as we were doing in the SQL, just we need to do start. Okay. Dot so. It selected all the columns. Okay. And it is useful in the dynamic pipelines. That's why the star thing. Now let's select column using an expression. So that we already did, but let's see. So df dot select. Inside that, I just need df dot name, comma df dot salary. Okay. I'll just do so. Let's see. Okay. So these are the different alternative methods to select multiple columns. So today we learned how to do column transformations, column operations in PySpark, and how to select, how to create, how to rename, how to drop, and how to cache the columns in PySpark. In the next video, we will learn about joins, which are essential for combining the data sets. Okay. So thanks everyone. Thanks for joining today's session. Thank you. Bye bye.